next question comes from Deborah. She says, I need to revamp my style post-double mastectomy. So my body has completely changed shape. I'm also 63 and moving into a new season of my life and need to learn how to feel at home in my new body and learn to dress the new me. Now, Deborah, it sounds like you have gone through some massive life changes. Not only having the double mastectomy, but also too in your 60s, you know, your body changes anyway. Medications can make you put on weight. There's all sorts of things going on for you. So number one, treat yourself gently. Also, too, is I do have a wonderful blog post that I'm going to link to in the comments, written by one of my wonderful readers and 7 Steps to Style members who has gone through a double mastectomy and what she has found works and what to look for in clothing. So there are things we look for because a lot of clothes are made for somebody with a bust. Now, some brands will make for a larger bust and some for a smaller bust, but things she has found are really good is like looking for clothes with a bit of texture built into them, because sometimes that can kind of distract the eye from not having breasts. Also, busy patterns are great. They are very distracting. Looking for, say, a neckline with gathers around it. There's all sorts of different things you can look for in clothing design, and then adding interest and accessories up here above where your bust used to be to distract attention up here and away from where your bust was. But I will link to that blog post because it's a really great blog post written and with lots of photos that she has, you know, kindly given me to put with this post, because I know a double mastectomy really can change your whole body, your body shape and how you've dressed. You've had a lifetime of dressing with breasts and suddenly to have no breasts, it can be quite different. And a lot of the clothes that you used to own may just not work anymore. They may not work with the new body. And so sometimes it's actually learning to let go. And of course, at 63, you're going into a different phase of your life anyway. So it's good time to make that decision to find a new wardrobe and to think about who you are now. What do you want out of your wardrobe? So if you have to rebuild a wardrobe, no matter what is going on in your life, there are sometimes times we need to rebuild a wardrobe. This is a really good time to reassess your style, redefine who you are. So think about defining a new style recipe. So who are you? How do you want to be perceived? What are the personality traits you want people to pick up on? And then how can we express that through our clothing? So a style recipe, I've got lots of blog posts about style recipes. Understanding your personality and your personality style rules, that is all inside my 7 Steps of Style. Then learning about this new body. So not having breasts is just one aspect of your body, but there's other aspects of your body that may have changed too. So understanding what's working for your physicality today. Also, your coloring may have changed as well. So we want to reassess that and work out what is the new palette, because when you are buying a whole new wardrobe, we want every piece to work together. We don't want to have a whole lot of random things where you can't create outfits. And so this is where we really want to buy with intention and start to think about, you know, having a color palette is so good because it helps you put everything together more easily. And so when you're buying things, that you are bringing colors that are going to naturally work together into your wardrobe, rather than having random things that just won't work together. So that would be something else to think about. So this is all things, and this is all inside my 7 Steps to Style program. If you're wanting more assistance with that, because I know it can be really hard, but when we really are buying a new wardrobe, whether it's, you know, a pregnancy wardrobe, or I've just retired and I have to change my life, or I'm going into a completely new job that requires, I used to wear uniforms and now I have to wear regular clothes, and so I need a whole new wardrobe. There's lots of different reasons why we have to rebuild wardrobes. And so this is where it's going into that with an intention, and to think about that when anything new comes in, it needs to go with at least 3 to 5 other things you already own. Don't buy an orphan because it's just a waste of money. And feeling at home in your new body, I mean, that's also something that is going to take yourself time. Now, I know just changing my hair color took me a year to get used to. And after I had my breast reduction, I was pretty happy about it because I could actually buy clothes, but it was different from what I was used to. So any change to your body, and I know when people lose a lot of weight too, they often takes them a long time to get used to their new body. So, and I think it's at least a year. Really, it's at least a year. So give yourself some grace and some time to get used to the new body that you have today, but celebrate the fact that you are still here because of modern medicine.